Yo, 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 CPA Strength here, back with video number 2 on this 10-part series of how to learn accounting, how to do journal entries. Let's go, let's get it in. All right, now this one, we're gonna explain real fast what all the letters stand for, all right? Asset stands for, now we're thinking as a business here, all right? Asset, economic benefit. So this would be a good, right? Benefit. Economic benefit to your company, all right? Now, draw. A draw is like a withdrawal, a shareholder distribution, a dividend. It actually reduces equity. So we're just gonna say this reduces equity. All right. Now, an expense is outgoing money for necessary ordinary business practices. Okay, so we're just going to say outgoing money. Outgoing money. Now let's just go over to now we're going to go over to liability. What is a liability? We'll just say that's you owe somebody. Equity. That's what you have in the company, otherwise known as maybe owner's equity. That's who owns it. Not a lot of journal entries in equity. Who owns, how much have in. Okay, now revenue, across from expense. Now I just want to say in the DCA you have asset is a benefit, liability is across from liability, owe somebody. You have draw across from equity, and draw reduces equity, or it's a withdrawal, shareholder distribution, and you have expense across from revenue. So these kind of match up. Now I have it matched up because I think this is the way to go. A revenue, we'll just say incoming money in the course of an ordinary business. So we'll say incoming money. Now that's very brief, but this is a brief series. I have a whole bunch of other videos that explain it more in detail what asset, draw, expense, liability, equity, revenue all mean, okay? Now, follow me into the third video, please.